When trying to pattern geometry along a specified path, SOLIDWORKS allows you to create a curve-driven pattern. In this part, for example, we currently have a single chain link, which we want to pattern along a path to create a full chain. Now keep in mind that since this will be a curve-driven pattern, we'll first require a curve, sketch, or edge to define its direction. To create our path, I'll begin a new sketch. This will be the overall shape of our chain, and will consist of a line and an arc. I'll make sure they're tangent, since otherwise we might be presented with problems later on. Once I've exited the sketch, I can go ahead and launch the curve-driven pattern feature. In the Property Manager, the first thing to do is define the pattern direction. For a curve-driven pattern, this direction may consist of a curve, a sketch segment, or a model edge. Now notice what happens when I try to select the sketched path directly from the graphics area. SOLIDWORKS only recognizes a single sketched segment at a time. You might find this to be useful in certain situations. However, this is not one of them. For our example, we want to select the entire path. For this reason, I recommend using the Feature Manager tree to make the selection, since this guarantees we're selecting the entire sketch. I'll continue defining the pattern by selecting the body I wish to pattern, typing in the number of instances, and adjusting the spacing. But if we look at the preview, we see we have a problem. The pattern is indeed following the path, but the alignment is incorrect. To fix this, I'll simply change the alignment method from align to seed to tangent to curve. The preview updates, and since it looks correct, we can click the green check to complete the curve-driven pattern.